Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. Unbox this P4X Realme. Let's unbox this. You can see here it is the branding. It is a 5G phone and you can see Realme 4X. At the back you will see some of the specification right here. Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G chipset, 144 Hz of eye care sunlight display, 7000 mAh of Titan battery. So let's open the box. Here you can see make it real. Let's see if it is real. So here I have this handset. Let's open this and you will see in this there is a 45 volt of fast charging adapter by this Realme. You can see the details right here. You can see the input, and in this you will see one USB to USB type C charging cable is there, one SIM ejector tool is given in that. Let's open this box also. So here you will see one case is there, some manual guides, quick guide are there, and you let's talk about the quality of the case. The quality of the case is quite good. You can see it is a rubber case. So this is the transparent and this is not transparent. It is like a matte finish look. So you can see the rubber quality is also very good. It is transparent on this side and this side you can see it looks like this. So let's keep it aside and check what's the specification of this phone. So friends, let's unwrap this phone. So here you can see the phone, friends. So this model has three colors. You can see it is the 8GB 128GB model. So here it has three colors is there. I have purchased it in green color and another one is pink color and silver color. You can see the design and it is branded by Realme. Two cameras are there with 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel. So friends, let's talk about its ports and buttons. So you will get here it is power on off button, volume up and down rocker button. At the down you will see one speaker, one type C charging port is there, one microphone and SIM ejecting thing is there. You can see here it is nothing. At the top you will see one microphone is there and one speaker is there. So let's open it up. Its display size is 6.72 and so friends, it is an LED not AMOLED, which is a common compromise at this price, but what it does have is an incredible 144 Hz of refresh rate. So look at this scrolling, it is butter smooth. You can see Realme also claims 1000 nits of peak brightness is there, super important for this phone, for using the phone outdoors. And my first impression is that it looks sharp and vibrant. For an LCD panel, design wise the camera module on the back is the standout. It is a nice design update from the previous generation and overall it's good looking sturdy device. You can see that. And shift now for the, it has the most powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Realme is serious about the performance here, friends. I ran some benchmarks and the AnTuTu score sits comfortably over 7,80,000, putting it firmly in the performance champ category for mid-range. Now the real test is gaming and we are on the highest settings. You can see, let's go to the settings and here we are writing the refresh rate. So you can see it is the highest 144 Hz, or it also consumes more battery when you just use this settings. Also frame rates are stable and gameplay is also fluid. So you can see is this phone also has a vapor chamber frozen crown cooling system, and a big deal for this segment. After 15 minutes of hard gaming, the phone is only slightly warm, and performance is excellent, which is exactly what the VC is supposed to deliver. So, and the biggest highlight for me and maybe for many of you is battery. It is a massive 7000 mAh of battery with this lightweight smartphone. You can see it is just 208 grams, and it is much lighter weight, about the 7000 mAh battery. And my day-to-day testing, this phone easily lasted 2 full days of moderate use. This is the battery anxiety killer. When you don't need to charge it, the included 45 volt of ultra charge is reasonable fast, through I which it was a little quicker given the battery size. We are talking about 0 to 50% in about 40 minutes. So friends, let's open the camera here, and you can see I have the click on video, so it will deliver 4K at 30 fps. You can see like this. It has lots of modes are here. When you just click on more, you will see there are lots of insane features are there. You can must try it on, and I have clicked some of the pictures. You can see, so this is the back camera photo. When you just zoom it, the you look at the clarity also. When I just zoom it, the clarity remains the same. This will not be degraded when you just zoom it. You can see this is the max zoom I can. So this is the another, it is a selfie. You can see when I just zoom it, it will be in the full screen now, and you can see the clarity over here. So let's press this has more features done by the Realme. You can see vibrant, you can choose vibrant, crisp feature, EV mode. There are lots of things in there. AI landscape, night mode are there, and it has a stabilization feature also. So you can see when I just click on the apps how fastly it's running. So friends, let's test this. Just click on the YouTube and let's test the video quality test. So friends, you can see the quality of the smartphone. This is insane. You can see special. So you can see the quality in which it is providing. Let's click on 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. You can see the quality. It is the highest video quality in this. So you can see that friends. So friends, let's test the speaker also. It has a dual speaker. So friends, you can see the volume. So friends, you can see the quality of the speaker. That is very good. The volume, the sound, the bass, everything looks good. When you just click on the power button, you can see it has 400% of volume. You can see in all the things, media, ringtones, notification, alarm is there. So everything is in full mode. It is insane in this price range. Let's click on about phone and you can see the specs over here. 128 GB processor, Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G. battery 7000 mAh. In the RAM you will get 6 plus 8, so total is 14 GB RAM you will get in this. Cameras performance booster, you can also get a performance booster also. Agree and continue this. So just allow this. So here it is, the GPU and CPU. You can get all the information uh, when you are playing games, or sometimes you can check it from here also, like this. So friends, what do you think of the Realme P4X 5G? Let me know in the comments down below. Are you picking this one up? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and I will catch you in next one. Thanks for watching.